Yo, what's going on, everybody? This is G, aka Trading G's with G. All my new subscribers, welcome. Thank you for subscribing. Please share this video. Let everybody know what's going on. All my return subscribers, what it do, one love. Your boy's back at it again. Tonight, this video is going to be on the meme stock frenzy. It is lukewarm as of Monday. It's been in the chill mode for like the past month and change, ever since like early June, heading to mid-June. Today is June 17th, 2024. I gotta make a disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. These videos are made for entertainment and educational purposes only. Do not listen to the dread-headed YouTuber unless you do your research first. If you get wrecked, it's not on me, it's on you. I'm here to give game and guidance. That is it. All right, now with that being said, I'm going to tie all these meme stocks together. They all have some type of tie or correlation with GameStop. As you know, AMC by default is there. I'm going to cover AMC slightly at the end of the video. I'm going to go strictly in order from GameStop all the way to AMC. So I want to talk about this trade that I got just on Monday, the 15th, July 15th, a few days ago. It was a swing trade. I was looking at the market at around quarter 12 and I seen GameStop peaking, a lot of green candlesticks, a lot of bullish signals, and it's been in this zone, like I said, since June. It's been consolidating ever since it hit that crazy soar to like $65 in early June. So I see it once again hitting this resistance, which is the reason why I got in. I normally don't trade this late, but I have a new 2.5% strategy of swing trading. So I only like to swing trade 2.5% or less of my money. It makes me feel comfortable. If you guys want to try it, like I said, it's not financial advice. But anyways, I got in right over here, right by the resistance line. I seen the tap. And usually I like for a confirmation candle. I like for a confirmation candle to come up following this green one. Another green one comes up. But I felt pretty good. And heading to the end of the day, it went up here. And then yesterday morning, at the ring of the bell, it shot up to almost $29, and I ended up selling right there. I'm down on my account about $250. A month ago, I was trailing like $700 more. I was down like $930. As y'all know, I'm out here giving y'all the real. So now I'm on the daily chart, and as you can see, GameStop was kind of chilling today. It started off at around $28.40. It soared up to almost $30 right below it, and it went all the way down to $27.20, and it closed out around here at right below $28. And this is the range I was talking about. So ever since like mid-June, GameStop's been chilling between $22.75 and $26.85, and on Monday it started peaking. Yesterday it broke out. Today it's here. So looking at the candlesticks, as y'all can see, it is indecisive right now, this market. This looks like a spinning top right here, and this is like a medium-sized bullish green candlestick. So when you see the wicks are even and the body is not too big, not too small, it means that it's like mid-bullish, somewhat bullish, and a spinning top usually means 50-50. It's undecided right now. So maybe I sold my contract too early, but when you're down in your account, trust me, you don't want to hold, even if it's a short swing trade. You take your money and you get out. So this whole Donald Trump thing is really getting out of hand. As most of y'all know, he has his own stock, ticker symbol DJT, which is his initials, obviously, Donald J. Trump. we all know he almost got assassinated on Saturday, or did he? I'm not gonna sit here and be a conspiracy theorist, but if you ask me, it was all premeditated. I mean, all this stuff is staged. We are really living on the world stage. How come the media hasn't asked him how his ear is doing? I've not heard one media outlet say, so how's his ear doing? Is he getting stitches? Is he getting staples? Is his ear blown off? It's like it didn't happen. You know, he's desperate. The whole Project 2025 is coming in. I'm not really into politics. I always vote Democrat, and I don't really think I'm going to vote for Biden this year. And as y'all know, earlier today, he was diagnosed with COVID-19 once again. So you got a felon president who almost got assassinated allegedly just this past Saturday. And now you got the actual president with COVID-19 who probably has Alzheimer's or dementia. The whole election is a joke, but because of this assassination attempt on Monday, as we all know, it broke out of this zone right here. So it went past $40 during pre-market. I believe it was a little higher than this. And it came all the way down below 40 and it closed out. And then yesterday and today, it's been in between 39 and 35 bucks. If you guys are trading this, be very, very careful with that news with Biden being positive and just the overall campaign. I think he's going to lay low for a few weeks since he's going to be isolated in his home, Wilmington, Delaware. I have family out there in Delaware. I've been past downtown. It's pretty cool seeing all the buildings downtown. But anyways, just play it safe. As you see, this is like a doji. Looks like a gravestone doji. So this is a reversal signal. This could possibly go back up, or it can stay here, go down. I'll just play it careful between these zones of 32 and 40, 41 bucks. And Ryan Cohen, as you know, the Gamestop CEO, has been trolling. So on Saturday the 13th, right after Trump got shot, he's going for Trump 2024. And earlier today, 9 hours ago, he just put Trump 1,000 times on his timeline on X, on Twitter. So as you can see, like, this guy is obviously big on Donald Trump. So it is a meme stock at this point. You guys already know this stock was dead in the water until the beginning of the year because it's election year 2024. So be careful with that. So with CHEWY, as most of y'all know, Roaring Kitty, he actually showed his position on Reddit. I believe he purchased about 9 million shares of CHEWY on the 26th or 27th of June. And I don't believe he's posted anything ever since that tweet with the dog. So as you know, he's doing an oxymoron with his dog. CHEWY is also known for not only selling good dog food, but also cat food. Hence his name, Roaring Kitty, cat dog. So there's nothing that's been on. And when things are silent, is usually a good time to buy a long-term stock or for trading. Ever since this rose all the way to 39 bucks, it obviously tanked, and I don't really have a resistance line. I would say it's up here at 39, but it's been chilling. I would say if it goes above 30, it's a good time to make a move for a call. But if it goes below 23, it's a good time for a put. I'll just play this slow because we're literally seeing nothing happen. It's like gradually growing. You see a small spin top. You see an inverted hammer here. On Monday, you see another like spinning top, kind of like semi candlestick. So everything's just kind of chilling, it's getting lukewarm. So with KOSS, as most of y'all probably heard, that he, around 4th of July, Roaring Kitty once again. Rumor has it that he's interested in buying a ton of these stocks. I don't think he purchased any of these stocks. He's been low key. But KOSS is like a headphone company. So I'm thinking maybe if GameStop merges with KOSS, they can come up with like more enhanced like gamer headphones or earphones, any type of like audio speaker devices that'd be good for like surround sound, or if you're like a big gamer with your gamer chair You can have your earphones on and play Call of Duty or Madden or Fortnite or 2K, whatever you play online. So that would be cool if they were to do a collab. That's obviously in the works, but this is also a meme stock. It was slept on during 2021. A lot of people always talk about GameStop and AMC, but this was obviously shot up at the time. I sort of forgot about this, to be honest. It's wild to me that this stock is waking up for the dead with the other meme stocks a little late. Everything happened in May, obviously, when GameStop and AMC started blowing up. So anything that Roaring Kitty touches, it turns to the gold, platinum, or diamond, or ruby. But once he starts slacking, it turns into coal. So you got to be careful with these dead cat bound stocks. And if you look at it, it's been consolidating between $7 and like $13 ever since that crazy rumor that he's interested in purchasing a ton of shares. And if you look at the symbols, the candlesticks, it's really indecisive. You just see spinning tops, see inverted hammer. It could possibly break out of this zone. I honestly don't know what's going to happen. None of us do. All right, so if y'all think GameStop and AMC is rigged, guess again. Ignore all of these white lines, the yellow lines. The yellow lines are pretty much my strike entries before the stock split that happened on June 12th last month. So I bought some contracts at 50 cents, $1, and $1.50, which is obviously now a 10-to-1 reverse stock split, or 1-10 reverse stock split, excuse me. So ever since that stock split, it hasn't really done a thing. There's word on the street that some inside traders purchased more shares as of yesterday or early this morning. And the Barnes & Noble director, Eric Singer, buys 18,000 shares. Notice the stock hardly even moves. So it's heavily manipulated. If you have long-term shares, I feel sorry for y'all. I actually have a ton of contracts like I mentioned. And I just want to show y'all that there are absolutely no options going on in the chain. So these are all the open interest. A lot of people are bullish, and there's only 4 expiration dates. One's coming up Friday, and as you can see, there's no volume. They totally rigged this stock ever since the reverse stock split happened last month. There's barely any volume for the 26th of this month, and then you have all into October 18th, and all of my contracts expire on this day right here. So a lot of people are still bullish. There's a lot of open interest on the calls. It's 37,000 to 5,000. It's absolute slaughter, but we're all screwed. I cannot sell any of my contracts for any more than $5. And I can't even really sell them. That's just the ask. The bid is $0 I tried selling for $1. Robinhood would not let me sell it. We all know how I feel about Robinhood. They were halting this. People are not talking about this. The OCC needs to seriously be held under investigation. They're responsible for all the trade options. Their headquarters is based in Chicago. Look them up. These people have not made a brand new trade option chain for Barnes & Noble. My money is stuck on there. Hopefully I could sell at the end of the year so I could take a capital loss. But really, hopefully this gets back. Like, there's no implied volatility. Everybody talks about AMC and Gamestop. At least we can still trade those. And tech stocks like Nvidia, Chipotle, well, not Chipotle, but Nvidia, Broadcom, I covered Chipotle, even Virgin Galactic's another meme stock. They all have reverse splits, and their options chain is around. So just watch out. I can't sell. I wish I could. It sucks, but it is what it is. I'm not complaining. I'm still going to break even really soon, hopefully this week or next week. I'm going to cover AMC real quick. There's not really much going on with it. It's slightly going up ever since June 25th. I'm not going to do a call until it breaks to $6, and I'm not doing a put unless it gets near 4. It has to break out its zone for me. It hasn't really done nothing since it hit like $13 in pre-market that morning back in May. So it has potential to hit the $6 range. It tested this resistance line twice and the support line only once. Speaking of Virgin Galactics, I'm going to cover Virgin Galactics real quick and then FFIE and I'll be done. So with Virgin Galactics, the stock split was June 17th, and ever since then it's been tanking. I sold all my shares right before it. I've learned time and time again that you're going to lose if you hold your shares before a reverse split. I honestly think this company has potential to blow up. It's obviously being shorted and halted, another meme stock. And FFIE, as many of y'all notice, is very popular. Many YouTubers have been covering it. It has a very similar line to GameStop and AMC. It broke out of this downtrend in May and it blew up all the way to, I believe, like $4 or $5. Yeah, like $4, and it went back down. And ever since then, it's been consolidating between 86 cents and 39 cents. Be very, very careful trading this. It slightly broke the support line over here on June 24th, and it went back in around the 26th. They could possibly do reverse split. So I tell you guys all the time, be very, very careful when you're trading these meme stocks. Do not put what you cannot afford to lose. Be very, very careful. With that being said, this is your boy, Trading G's with G. Until next time, I'm out.